Good morning, students. This is Sanchita ma'am. Let's begin the chapter 5 Acids, Bases, and Salts from the book of NCERT Class 7. Today, we will discuss the types of acids, then bases, and the neutral substances. We use a large number of edible substances in our daily life, such as lemon, salt, sugar, tamarind, and curd. Do they have the same taste? No, they have different tastes. Let us recall taste of a few edible substances given in the table. Lemon juice, sour in taste. Orange juice, sour and sweet. Curd, sour. Grapes, sour and sweet. Sugar, sweet. Common salt, salty. Amla, bitter. Unripe mango, sour. Baking soda, bitter. Tamarind, that means imli, it is also sour in taste. Vinegar, sour in taste. So, some substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. We know that curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. So, what are acids? The substances which are sour in taste are called acids. The word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acids are of two types, organic acids and mineral acids. What are organic acids? The acids which are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. They are also known as natural acids. Some of the organic acids are citric acid, which we get from citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons. Lactic acid is found in curd. Ascorbic acid we get from amla and citrus fruits. Tartaric acid we get from tamarind, that is imli, grapes, unripe mangoes. Acetic acid we found in vinegar. Oxalic acid we get from spinach, tomatoes, guavas. Malic acid, apples. Amino acid is present in proteins. Tannic acid, tea, and glycolic acid, sugar cane juice. Tartaric acid is mixed with baking powder and is used in making cakes and biscuits. Acetic acid is used in pickles and tomato ketchup. Microorganisms cannot survive in acidic environments. So, we use vinegar, that is the acetic acid. We add the acetic acid, that is the vinegar, to packaged food items like sauce, ketchups, and pickles to preserve them. The acids prepared from the minerals of the earth are called mineral acids. They are human-made acids and are also known as laboratory acids because they are used in the science laboratory to perform the scientific experiments. The most common mineral acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. Interestingly, mineral acids are very strong and dangerous. They are highly corrosive in nature. These acids can cause severe burns to the skin. These acids should be handled with great care. They should never be handled with bare hands or tested. some sources of organic acids for you all. This is lemon juice. The source is lemon and it contains citric acid and also ascorbic acid. Curd, lactic acid. This is tamarind which contains tartaric acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. This is tomato which contains oxalic acid. Apple, malic acid. Rajma. It is a good source of protein and contains amino acid. This is tea leaves which contain tannic acid. An acid can be dilute or concentrated depending upon the amount of water present in it. The acidic solution which has a large quantity of water and a small quantity of acid, that means more water and less amount of acid, then that solution, acidic solution, is called dilute acid. The acidic solution which has a small quantity of water and a large quantity of acid, that means more acid and less water, then that type of acidic solution is called concentrated acid. Concentrated acid can be diluted by dissolving it in a large quantity of water. But we have to remember, we have to always remember that an acid is added to water. Water is never added to an acid because a large amount of heat is released during dilution of an acid. So that this precaution we have to remember, we have to follow. Next you see, each cell in our body contains an acid that is called the DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. It controls every feature of the body such as our looks, color of our eyes, our height, etc. Proteins that build part of our cells are also made of amino acids, because we know proteins are called the bodybuilding foods and because they help for the growth and development of our body, and proteins contains amino acids. The fats in our body contain fatty acids. Baking soda does not have sour taste. Therefore, it cannot be an acid. It has a bitter, that means kadwa taste. If we rub a solution of baking soda between our fingers, it feels soapy or slippery to touch. The substances like baking soda, which are bitter in taste and have soapy, that is slippery touch, are known as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. Some common bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide. Interestingly, bases that dissolve in water are known as alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide. But all alkalis are bases, but not all bases are alkalis. That means only the bases that dissolve in water are known as alkalis. That means all bases are not alkalis. Examples of some of the bases which are commonly found in our house. This is calcium hydroxide, which we found in lime water. This is the window cleaner, which contains ammonium hydroxide. This is soapy water, which contains sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Those substances which are neither acidic nor basic in nature are called neutral substances. Pure water or distilled water, glucose, urea, sugar, salt, canned sugar are some of the neutral substances. Pure water, sugar, salt are some of the neutral substances.